Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use the AI Scene Remodel feature in PhotoDirector 365. So here is an original image which I remodeled into these images with just one click. So let me show you how to do this. In the new version of PhotoDirector 365, you'll see all of these different options when you open the app. Click on the Gen AI Studio option, and it'll open PhotoDirector in the Gen AI Studio mode. Next, in the left side panel, click on the Scene Remodel section under Transform, and it'll bring you to this page. Click on Start Now, and you'll see this pop up showing you different types of images that are recommended and the types of images you should try to avoid in order to get good results. Next, click on Continue, and it'll redirect you to File Explorer. I'm using Windows 10 here. Next, navigate to your folder, choose the image, and then click Open. So here is the image that I'm going to be using. In this left side panel, there are many different styles or scenes you can choose from. Let me scroll back up. You can also create your own custom scene if you want to, and I'll be creating a separate tutorial to show you how to do this. For now, I'll choose this scene, and then click on this Generate button in the bottom left corner. Once I do so, AI will start generating the new remodel scene, and as you can see here in a few seconds, it's going to regenerate that scene. Now, please bear in mind that it uses your AI credits when you do this. Similarly, you can choose another style like this one here, which is the Christmas scene. Here is the sunset scene. This is the winter scene. And this is what the anime scene looks like. And here are a few others. Once you're happy with the result, you can click the export button at the top and then save the image to your local drive. But that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.